Hello everyone and welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today, if you are wondering how to track your item on Jumia, yeah. So if you are a Jumia shopper and you have ordered for an item and you are thinking of how to track the item to know where your item is now, then this particular video is for you. So first of all, open the Jumia app. Open the Jumia app. Tap on your account. Tap on the account section and make sure you've logged in into your account. So tap on the account and select others. Tap on the others. Tap on the others. Tap on the others. Select the item that you want to track. So select the particular item that you want to track. So I'll be selecting the item that I want to track. You realize there is a track my item tab in here. So tap on the track my item. Tap on the track my item. Tap on the track your item here. Tap on the track your item. If you realize in here, they'll give you a timeline of the item. But if you want to, like get to know more about it, then tap on the track your item here. Tap on it. Then tap on the click to collapse. So you can realize in here, this is the timeline of the item that I've ordered. So you can know the particular date that it was a Jumia warehouse and when it left. So you can tap on the click to collapse. Yeah, and this will give you like a map view of your item. So it will give you a map view of your item. So the item was from this side. You can zoom in to know where your item is now. You can realize in here, the item is in transition now. So that's how easy and simple it is to track your item on Jumia. So if you find this video helpful and you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, give a sweet comment, and see you in the next video.